So first up is skincare, and I start with toners to prep my skin, and I'm using the Plum rice water toner, which is fantastic for hydration. And next I'm using this TONYMOLY ceramide toner to strengthen my skin's barrier. So I also cover my neck area, and after toning I apply the COSRX Snail Mucin serum. So guys, it's super hydrating and it really helps me with my skin repair and skin damage, and also it gives a glass finish. Next, I use the Dot & Key Ceramide Moisturizer, which is a great option for locking in moisture and keeping my skin super hydrated and smooth. So it contains ceramide, that's really good. And next, for sun protection, I go with Neutrogena sunscreen. That is the staple product I have in my skincare routine. So it provides me a broad spectrum protection while feeling lightweight. Lastly, I apply the Dot & Key SPF lip gloss to keep my lips protected and hydrated. So while my skin absorbs all these products, let's move on to styling. As you can see, my hair is looking like so dry, so for that I use the Loreal heat protectant extraordinary oil serum, and it protects my hair from heat damage and also adds on shine. So next I detangle my hair with a neem comb, and it's gentle and helps reduce breakage. So for styling I'm using the Truman blow dryer plus styler, focusing on my front locks to get them just right. These days I am avoiding heat over my hair, but I really need to fix my front locks, otherwise it makes me look like shit. I kept a gap of 10 minutes while my skincare was being absorbed into my skin. Continuing with my makeup routine now, so let's start up with this concealer from L'Oreal. This is a must buy product if you are looking for a thick concealer to cover your hyperpigmentation and the darker areas and the acne scars. It has really good coverage, and so I personally feel that finger gives better coverage, like it blends concealer nicely into my skin. So I apply it with my finger and then blend it out with a blender for a smooth finish. This concealer really helps me covering the acne scars too. So next I am using the L'Oreal Infallible hydrating foundation. It is perfect for medium coverage. So next, for the eyeshadow, I am using the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. I am using a brown and shimmer shade. And then I am continuing using this Maybelline mascara on my lashes. I am also using the leftover product over my eyebrows, which gives me a clean girl look. After that, I would be using the Etude tint that gives me a dewy finish. And next, I also add a powder blush from Maybelline in a coral peachy shade to give a natural flush look. For lips, I first wipe off any leftover products, then line them with the Swiss Beauty lip liner. It is really a good pigmented lip liner that is also affordable. And after that I finish it with kbeauty lip whip and top it off with Dot & Key lip gloss that adds extra shine if you want that glossy look. So, and that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the everyday skincare, hairstyling and makeup routine. So if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe more for content like this. Thanks for watching, girlies. See you next time. Bye bye.